Hello students, this is problem number 1 under GS method. This is asked in VTU December 1920 question paper. For a 3-bus system, elements of y bus are given as y11 is equal to 4.5 minus j18, y13 is equal to minus 2 plus j8, y23 is equal to minus 2 plus j10, y12 is equal to minus 2.5 plus j 1.0, y22 is equal to 4.5 minus j 20, y23 is equal to 4 minus j 18. Real bus powers are given by 1.6 and minus 0.7 at buses 2 and 3 respectively. Reactive powers are 1.6 and minus 0.7 at buses 2 and 3 respectively. Bus 1 is a slack bus with E1 which is also equal to V1. V1 is equal to 1.04 plus J0, that is 1.04 at an angle 0. Assuming initial voltages at the buses 2 and 3 to be 1 plus J0, that is flat voltage start. Find the value of voltages at the end of first iteration using Gauss-Seidel method with an acceleration factor of 1.6. Okay, so first we have to form the Y bus using rule of inspection method. According to rule of inspection method, we are going to form the Y bus like this: Y11, Y12, Y13, Y21, Y22, Y23, Y31, Y32, Y33. It is 3 cross 3 matrix because it is already mentioned up to Y33 we have admittance values. Okay, so Y11, it is directly given 4.5 minus J18. Okay, Y12 which is also equal to Y21 minus 2.5 plus J 1.0, Y13 minus J minus 2 plus J 8. Okay, similarly Y21 which is also equal to Y12, Y21 is equal to Y12, so minus 2.5 plus J 1, Y22 4.5 minus J20, Y23 minus 2 plus J10, Y31 which is equal to Y13 minus 2 plus J8, Y23 minus 2 plus J10, okay, Y33 4 minus J18. So we got matrix Y bus. Then it is given real power and reactive power at buses 2 and 3 respectively. Look at bus 2, real power at bus 2 is 1.6, okay, 1.6, that is complex power S2 is equal to P2 plus JQ2. P2 is 1.6 and reactive power at bus 2 which is 1.6, so plus J 1.6, okay, and at bus 3, reactive power at bus 3 which is minus 0.7, real power at bus 3 which is minus 0.7. So 0.7 minus J 0.7. V1 which is given 1.04, okay, and V30 it is given 1 plus J0 or 1 at an angle 0. If it is not given also, you have to assume flat start and you have to take V20, V30 is equal to 1. It is also given that alpha is equal to 1.6. We have to solve the problem. Okay, so formula to calculate Y bus: VIR plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by YII PI minus JQI VI conjugate R minus summation k varies from 1 to n YIK VK. Okay, here VK is not equal to, sorry, K is not equal to I. Considering that, okay, considering that V2, why V2? Second bus we are taking, first bus is a slack bus, okay, second bus is a PQ bus, third bus is also PQ bus. 1 divided by Y22 P2 minus JQ2 is equal to V2. We are setting the iteration count R is equal to 0. So V2 0 conjugate minus, okay, summation k varies from 1 to n. Okay, so k varies from 1 to I minus 1 we are taking first. Okay, I minus 1 we are taking, then we are taking I plus 1 to n. Okay, so this is the formula. So by taking this formula we get, see, this is the formula we have, we get k varies from 1 to I minus 1, I is 2, 2 minus 1 it is 1. So k varies from 1 to 1, 1 to 1 means only one variable will be there, I mean one parameter will be there. So y I is 2, y2 1, v1 R is 0, so v1 1 minus k varies from I plus 1, I plus 1 it is 2 plus 1 it is 3. So total number of buses here, looking at the matrices, we have 3 buses, okay, because last element of the admittance matrix is Y33. So looking at that we can say that only 3 buses are present, okay, and given data it says there are 3 buses, slack bus, PQ bus and PQ bus. Okay, so 3 to 3, k varies from I plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 to 3. So y k is equal to, k varies from 3 to 3, so only one parameter. So y2 3, v3 0. Okay, so just to substitute whatever data we have, 1 divided by y22, which is 4.5 minus j 20, 4.5 minus j 20, P2 minus JQ2 it is given, P2 plus JQ2 1.6 plus 1.6 J 1.6. Okay, it is not P2 plus J, it is P2 minus, so it has to be 1.6 minus J 1.6. Okay, and next divided by V2 0 we have assumed V2 0 1 at an angle 0, conjugate of that 1 at an angle 0 only, minus y21 which is minus 2.5 plus j1, minus 2.5 plus j1, okay, into v1 at an angle, sorry, v1 1 which is given 1.04 minus y23 which is minus 2 plus j10, minus 2 plus j10 10, okay, into V3 0, 1 at an angle 0, which is nothing but 0, 1. Okay, so calculating we get, just use Calc. In Calc you keep complex mode, okay, complex mode. So take on numerator 1, denominator 4.5 minus 20i, keep a complex mode. Next on numerator 1.6 minus 1.6i, denominator 1, and minus 2.5 plus 1i, 1.04 minus 2 plus 10i, okay. So minus 2 plus 10i into 1, it is nothing but minus 2 into 10i, okay. Calculating we get 0.667, see we get 0.66779 plus j 0.1597, okay. If you convert it into radian, sorry, if you convert it into polar form, we get 0.686 at an angle 0.234, okay. This is the voltage magnitude V2 and this is delta 2. So acceleration factor is given. So V2 accelerated, which is equal to V2 accelerated, the formula is V2 r plus 1 accelerated is equal to V2 r plus alpha into V2 r plus 1 minus V2 r. So taking this we get V2 r is 0. So V2 1 is equal to V2 r, that is V2 0. V2 0 is so V2 0 it is 1 plus alpha, it is given 1.6 into V2 1 0.686 0.234 minus 1, okay. So minus 1 into 1.6 plus 1, we get value 0.468 plus j 0.255. That we accelerated by converting it into polar form, we get 0.533 at an angle 0.499. Similarly, we have to calculate V3. Let's see how do we calculate the value of V3. Same formula we have to use. V3 is equal to 1 divided by Y22 P3 minus JQ3 divided by V3 0 minus k varies from 1 to I minus 1. I is 3 here because we have taken third bus. Okay, I minus 1 it is 2. So k varies from 1 to 2. Okay, so we get two parameters here, that is y3 2, see y31 v1 minus y32 v2. Okay, k varies from I plus 1 to n. I plus 1 in the sense it is 3 plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1 it is 4. Only 3 buses are there, just neglect this. Okay, no need to consider this. So only consider this one. Next, on substituting everything, 1 divided by y33, I am sorry, y33 which is, here it is y33 4 minus j18. Okay, 4 minus j18, p3 minus jq3, it is plus here, so minus 0.7, okay, plus j 0.7 divided by v3, 1 at an angle 0 minus y31 minus 2 j8. Okay, and v1 1 it is 1.04. Okay, v2 1 you have to consider accelerated value. When you consider accelerated value, okay, when you consider accelerated value, it is 0.533. y32 it is y32 minus 210 0.533 at an angle 0.49. Okay, calculating this, solving this, we get, solving this, 1 divided by 4 minus 18i. Okay, 1 4 minus 18i and minus 0.7 and numerator 0.7i and denominator it is 1 into, sorry, minus 2 plus 8i into 1.04 at an angle 0. Okay, minus 2 plus 10 10i into 0.533 at an angle 0.499. We get the answer 0.68. We get the answer 0.68. 14 plus j 0.118. Converting it into polar form, we get 0.69 at an angle 0.1728. This is the V31. Okay, after calculating this, we need to calculate the value of V3 accelerated. So V3 accelerated, the formula is V3R plus 1. Okay, we have to take R is equal to 0 because iteration count R is equal to 0 is equal to V3R plus alpha, V3R plus 1 minus V3R. So R we have taken 0. So V31 accelerated is equal to V30 plus alpha V31 minus V30. Just substitute whatever you have. Okay, on substituting we get the answer 0.503 plus J, the answer is 0.525 at an angle 21.22. Okay, so converting it to rectangular form we get 0.49 plus J 0.188. So this is the value of V accelerated. This is delta 3, this is V3.